Today we're going to go to the beach, in our mind anyway. A nice, warm, tropical beach. It's a version of sweeping breath. This one, we're actually bringing the sweeping breath up in through the feet. This feels a little bit more natural if you're laying back or lying down because you're imagining that you're laying on a beach. And you might want to get a blanket. You'll be warm enough. Notice that we're here doing a practice. Maybe you're remembering already. Sometime might not be in a tropical beach. Maybe it was a beach at a local lake. Sometime in the summer when you were warm and relaxed. So one of the things we're doing with this is we're practicing this skill of allowing our awareness to flow in our body. Our body is in a specific energy field that's personal to us. And we have the layer, the pranamaya kosha, which is the layer of energy and breath that is in the same location as our physical body. So we have this awareness that there are all of these layers, and that's what we're working with in sweeping breath. Get settled into imagining that you're lying on a beach. Maybe we have a beach towel below our body, maybe we're right on the sand. And this is a perfect world as we visualize. There's no flies or bugs. It's not too hot or too cold. It's just perfect. As you're imagining that, allow yourself to let your body be there. Our minds are so powerful. As you're imagining that you're laying on a beach, taking a deeper breath, your body's settling a bit. And what else is around you? Often there's some kind of flowering plants that are scenting the air. We have a beautiful aroma of a tropical place. There's a bit of a breeze. There's birds singing, perhaps. And through all of that, we can hear the sound of the ocean as it's lapping into shore. Well, this is a visualization practice that's in the energy field of our body. So we're not needing to worry about anything. There's nothing here to worry about. We're just going to do a practice of visualizing the energy of the waves coming up now through the soles of the feet and washing through the ankle joints. And then as the wave recedes, we visualize or imagine that wave of energy coming from our ankle joints through the feet, the toes, the soles of the feet, as the wave recedes back towards the edge of the shore. And let all of your awareness focus on that. As you're breathing in, imagine that wave is coming up through the soles of your feet, washing through your ankle joints and carrying away any fatigue or tension, any pain or anything that's going on in your feet. Our feet are on duty a lot of the time, but right now we're not. Allow that wave just with your breath. Inhale, bring that ocean wave up through your feet, your ankles. Exhale, release any fatigue or tiredness. Let your feet relax. Let your breath be smooth, continuous, and even. The next wave, bring your awareness from the soles of your feet through your ankle joints up to your knees. And on the exhalation, the wave has washed through your knees and it's carrying away any pain or fatigue, anything that could be released, carrying it back down through the knees, the muscles and bones of the lower legs, the ankles, the feet. Let your mind and your breath get into a rhythm. Your body is completely comfortable, supported through the whole of your back body by the warm sand, birds, the scent, the sound of the ocean. Breathing in, allowing the ocean waves to come up through the ankles, through the knees, washing through the knees, and then back down through the soles of the feet. And on your next inhalation, bring that wave all the way up to your hip joints. Imagining as you're breathing in that that wave is coming up through the soles of your feet, your ankle joints, lower legs, your knees, your thighs, to your hip joints. And then with each exhalation, allow that wave to recede back down into the ocean, carrying away any tension or pain or fatigue, refreshing the large muscles in the front of the thighs, the back of the thighs, knee joints, lower legs, ankle joints, the feet. This smooth, easy rhythm, your body completely relaxed. Exhale. Allow that wave to recede from the hip joints all the way out through the soles of the feet and back to the shore. And then that continuous breathing, your next inhale, breathing up from the soles of the feet through the ankles, through the knees, the hip joints, washing through the hip joints, and then releasing all the way down through the soles of the feet. Let yourself get into an easy, even rhythm with the breath. Washing away any restlessness in your legs, any tiredness in your muscles, cooling and soothing any inflammation in the joints. Allow your awareness to flow up and down, bringing in a fresh wave with each in breath, washing through the hips, exhaling down, releasing out through the soles of your feet and having it go back out into the ocean. Each exhale, releasing, relaxing, letting your body be soft and still. And then on your next inhalation, bring your awareness up through the lower part of the belly, your pelvic floor, all of the organs in the lower part of your stomach area. And allow that wave to wash from your navel center down through your lower belly, your hip joints, all the way down through the soles of your feet on the exhale. And on the inhale, bringing in that restorative in breath. Bring in the ocean wave up through your legs, washing through your lower abdomen, cleansing, healing, and then releasing. Let your focus be fully present. Warm sand supporting your body, the scent, the sounds of birds, the sound of the ocean, allowing the in breath to flow up from the soles of your feet with a wave from the ocean, up through the legs, the hips, the lower belly, through your navel center and down, releasing everything from the navel center down through the hips, the legs, the feet. And then on the next inhalation, bring your awareness up from the diaphragm just under the lower ribs, the stomach area just above the navel center. Let your breath and that wave from the ocean wash through, healing and cleansing everything in the stomach area. Exhale back down through the feet, out to the ocean. Inhale the freshness of the in breath, the incoming wave, all the way up to your stomach just above the navel center. Healing your digestion and then releasing. Let your mind flow, your awareness flow. As we're sweeping our awareness up on the inhale, bringing in the new wave from the ocean, all the way up through under the rib cage, the stomach area, releasing on the exhale. Because this is a longer space, we're not noticing all the details. You're sweeping right up from the soles of your feet through your legs, your lower abdomen, your navel center, your stomach area. Just as you're bringing that wave up to the diaphragm muscle, let it release that continuity in the breath. We breathe in, we breathe out, just like the ocean waves. Allow that process, that rhythm to be smooth. Let your body be comfortable, warmth of the sand and the sun, the beauty of the ocean. And on your next inhalation, bring your awareness all the way up to your heart area. heart, your lungs, the heart center, your emotions. Allow that fresh wave to sweep up through your heart area, cleansing and nourishing and releasing. Let it flow down again, out through your feet, back to the shore. We're cleansing on a physical level, the heart, the lungs, and on an energetic level, the emotions, sensations. Let your whole body be relaxed and your awareness sweeping up with the ocean waves. Inhaling through the feet, up through the legs and the torso to the heart. Exhale down through, releasing through your body, out through the soles of your feet, back to the ocean. Allow your heart area to lighten, to heal, your lungs, your feelings and emotions, sensations. Let that healing wave from the ocean wash through the heart and lungs, to the area protected by the rib cage, that whole area, the heart center. And carrying away anything that's not serving you, any strain or fatigue. Let your lungs be healthy. Imagine the healthy lung tissue. Your heart is strong and healthy. And rejuvenating your whole body from the soles of the feet up through the heart area on the inhale. Releasing, relaxing on the exhale. And then on the next inhalation, bring your awareness up to the throat center, all the way up from the soles of the feet through your legs and torso to the throat center. Allow that wave to wash through the throat center and then down, releasing anything out of your throat. Down through your body, out through your feet. Let the wave recede. Allow the new wave to come up through your body, nourishing your body. Allow the exhalation to release and cleanse your body. From the soles of your feet up through your throat center. Exhale down through the soles of your feet and back to the ocean. And then for the next few waves, bring your awareness up the sides of your body into your hands, your fingers, back of your hands, your wrist joints, lower arms, elbow joints, upper arms, shoulder joints. Allow your arms to be included in this gentle flow of awareness. Bringing your awareness up the sides of your feet to your hands, arms, shoulder joints. Letting that wave wash through the shoulders, releasing any tension, any heaviness. Deep inhales, long, slow exhales. Coordinating your awareness and the flow with these gentle waves of the ocean. Releasing any pain or fatigue from your arms, your hands, any inflammation. Let your arms and hands be at rest. And then bring your awareness up now from the soles of your feet all the way up to the neck, the sides of the neck, the front and back of the neck. Allow that part of your body to be nourished on the inhale. Release on the exhale. Notice as well the joints of your jaw. Let any tension release. Your tongue, your throat. Let that whole area be nourished on the inhale. And then as you breathe out, allow that awareness to flow down through your body, through the chest and the back, the arms and the hands, down through your legs and feet. Allowing that ocean wave to nourish every cell in your body, washing through the joints of the jaw, the teeth, the mouth, the front, the sides, the back of the neck, and then releasing back down through your body. Releasing any fatigue or tension or any load that you're carrying. Let that be swept away and swept out to sea. Breathing in, nourishing, breathing out, releasing. Let yourself release any burdens. Your body fully supported by the warm sand, songs of the birds, the scent in the air from the flowers, sound of the ocean waves, gentle waves lapping at the shore. And then the next time you breathe in all the way up through your body from the soles of your feet to your legs and your hands, your torso, your neck and shoulders, your jaw, up to your eyes, your brain, the top of your head. And release any fatigue or anxiety that you might have in your brain area. Let that be washed away and released out of your body on the exhale. Let that nourishment of the inhale sweep up through your body, this wave from the ocean nourishing your whole body now, all the way up to the brain, your eyes, optic nerve, letting go of any worry, any tension. Let your brain be healed. Let your brain be calm and still. Let go of any worry. Let your worries wash back down, out through your body, out through your feet, back into the ocean. Let them just be absorbed into that vast ocean. And then on the next in breath, we're breathing in that clean energy from the ocean. Imagine that wave is coming up through your feet and legs, hands and arms, your belly, your chest, your throat, sides and front of your neck, large muscles of the back of the head, your brain. And when we're breathing this much of a distance, again, it's more of a whole body experience. We're not so much paying attention to the different areas along the way. Let your awareness flow. Bring that wave in from the soles of your feet up through your body to the top of your head. Exhale, releasing, cleansing, letting go. Let that exhalation carry away any troubles. Back out into the ocean. And then we breathe in. We feel the nourishment of the in-breath, our whole body from our feet up to the head. Take a few deeper breaths, long exhales, deep inhales. And then let your body and your awareness come to stillness again. Aware of the stillness in your body, the lightness, the songs of the birds, the scent of the flowers, the sound of the ocean. Let yourself rest here for a moment. Your mind has been moving with this flow of awareness, and now we're still. Let yourself rest here. You could stay here as long as you like, absorbing the quiet, the peace. And when you're ready to come out of the practice, come out slowly. Maybe open your eyes, look around. Notice your body and notice the difference, how you feel now, even if it was a few moments of pleasure, of resting on the beach in the warm sun, nourishing your body.